Okay, guys, you know how I show you that cactus helps and supports cactus, trees support cactus, they help each other grow in the desert. This is Opuntia. Opuntia. I'm probably not pronouncing it correctly. It will be in the description. Prickly pear. Opuntia prickly pear. This is a teddy bear cholla. See, growing up right inside next to whatever. Now see the green? Like a green bush? That one? That is a desert broom. So you've got 3 plants growing in the same space, and they all help each other out. This one has lots of fruit on it. Enjoy.